In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert date field in PDF with Adobe Acrobat. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. In the upper left corner, click the main menu and choose Open. Browse to the PDF where you want to add a date field, select it, and click Open again. Give it a moment to load so you're looking at the document you want to edit. Now glance over to the left-hand side to find the Tools panel. If it looks collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the available tools. Look for Prepare Form. This is the feature that lets you add and edit interactive fields. Click Prepare Form, then choose Create Form. Acrobat switches into form editing mode, and you'll see new toolbars appear. If Acrobat offers to detect fields automatically, that's fine. It just helps identify places where form fields might belong. You can still add your own exactly where you want them. With the form tools visible, look at the left-hand side again for the date field option. Select Date Field, then click on the page where you'd like the date to appear. You can drag to size it or reposition it so it lines up neatly with your layout. If you're placing it near other fields, use the Smart Guides to align everything cleanly. A quick tip, give yourself a little extra width to accommodate longer date formats. Next, double-click the new date field to open its properties. Here's where you fine-tune how it looks and behaves. Under Appearance, adjust the font, text size, border, and fill so it matches your document's style. In the Position or General sections, you can rename the field to something clear like Date, and mark it as required if the date must be filled in. Under Format, choose Date and then pick a format such as DDYYY or a written out style, whatever your organization uses. This ensures that anyone filling out the form enters a valid date, and Acrobat displays it consistently. In Actions, you can keep things simple or add behavior later if needed. Once you're happy with the setup, close the Properties window. From the left-hand side, click Send if you plan to distribute the form right away. This opens options to share the document with others for completion. After that, click Save to store your updated PDF with the new date field embedded. Save it to a clear location so you can find and share it easily. That's it. Your PDF now has a professional, formatted date field ready to use.